What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good afternoon and welcome to this update on Matic or Polygon, whatever you want to say, but we'll just keep it with Matic in this video. Wanted to do a brief update on that. Last analysis we hit that price target, and apart from that it's quite an important day obviously with the interest rate coming up, so we'll talk a little bit about that, but apart from that we'll also talk about Polygon and Matic. So let's get right into it. Matic today has been well, fairly bearish. We did not manage to get above our main key level, main resistance level right now at around 1.12, and even dropped down below 1.1. So we have not managed to become bullish again, because I would argue that if we would want to be bullish and if we really want to get new highs, we need to break this level between 1.1 and 1.12. What I said last analysis is that after breaking above this major resistance at around $1.04, I expected us to consolidate here a little bit and then eventually get up to our next price target at 1.18 and 1.2. We did that a little bit sooner. We consolidated for about half a day, and then we went up. So I don't know if you want to see that as correct or not, doesn't matter. But basically what we did is we eventually, when we got some bullish momentum on Friday, last Friday we managed to get above 1.1 and 1.12, get to our next price target, as you can see, between 1.18 and arguably between 1.25, but I really think this level is more between like 1.22 and 1.18. We got there, and then from there we got some more bearish momentum earlier this week. The dollar strength index was quite strong. There was some news about the Federal Reserve that they would still be hawkish, so that they will keep increasing the interest rates, and that is what it's all about. I mean, purely technically, I would argue that that Matic right now is still bullish, and even though I don't really like this trend line, I would still consider it bullish. And just purely technically, I would expect us to probably drop down to 1.04, find support there, and then from there, after a brief consolidation, start to try to get above 1.1 and 1.12 again. Eventually do so, and trying to get a new higher high at around 1.2 and 1.22, and eventually try to break above towards 1.3 as well. I would say technically that's the most likely scenario, but as I said, the interest rate is quite important, and one thing that's for certain is that it's way more important than the technicals. Apart from that, what I haven't checked out for a very long time is how Polygon is doing. And what you can actually see is that Polygon, in terms of total value locked, is doing very, very well. We're around the same levels of total value locked as we were in September, when we were doing fairly well. We're obviously way higher than in August, about 800 million less, but still. Daily active addresses has been in an uptrend for the last 2 weeks. Daily transactions has still been good. If you take a look at it over the last year, we've obviously dropped down massively. But that's a bear market for you. But altogether, fundamentally, Polygon is doing well. Definitely with the ZK EVM coming up as well. So I would say long to mid-term, Polygon is still one of the best cryptos in the top 100. However, as I said, this is only technical. Right now, our main situation is being stuck between 1.12 and 1.04. And basically, we're going to have the Federal Reserve either be hawkish again, so that they will keep increasing it and that they will tell you about that, or they're going to be dovish, so they'll say, all right, we'll calm it down a little bit. If you want a full video on that, I just uploaded it like 4 videos ago. Check that out. It's the emergency upgrade. But based on that outcome, we're going to move. So if they actually are more dovish, so more calm about the interest rates, we'll be able to break above 1.12 and get up to at least 1.2 and 1.22. But if they say that they are going to keep the monetary policy as it is, we'll drop down below 1.04 and probably drop down to at least this level between 97 and 95 cents. So I'll be back very shortly with a real Matic update, but for now this is just an update ahead of the interest rates and what I think you need to know. So take care, bye, and yeah, thanks for watching.